Namo Buddhaya. Devotees and monastics from the Westlock Meditation Center in Alberta, Canada. Last week watched as a golden standing statue of Amitabha Buddha was erected above their meditation hall. At some 15-meter high, the statue finds itself between a giant sausage in Mundare, 12.20 meter, and a Tyrannosaurus Rex in Drumheller, 25 meters. On the short list of tallest statue in Alberta, it is also the tallest human figure statue all of Western Canada. A groundbreaking ceremony was held in July last year to begin preparation for a monument. Speeches were offered in Vietnamese along with music and chants, and about 100 people looks on as when Thain Tam and when Pap Phoa about the meditation center broke ground. One journalist who attended the event observed, offerings were made and a family of Canada geese look on distant train whistles harmonized with ringing of bells. The statue arrived in Canada January after several years of planning and construction work in China, with further work undertaken in Canada to ensure that it meet with local structural quality standard. The sculpture weighed 22.7 ton according to Wayne Pap Phoa mounted on top of the hall and its lotus-shaped base. The total height is around 21 meter. The center fulfilled Wayne Pap Phoa long time dream of establishing a rural meditation center where people could cultivate mindfulness peacefully. Speaking at the installation ceremony last week, Wayne Pap Phoa commented, "I feel that our society right now, we really need some time to calm us down to less stress, less depressed. That's why we have the statue of Buddha here. As a symbol of awakening, we want to introduce practicing of mindfulness, the practicing of Buddhism." Before two large cranes lifted the statue into place, a final ceremony was held to bless the image as it lay on its back. Monastics sprinkled flower water over the sculpture. Was more flower, candles, and fruit were placed on table nearby. The candles symbolize wisdom and insights. The flowers symbolize beauty, and the fruit symbolize as result of practice. Despite Canada's small population, just 36 million people, it has Buddhist center representing all the major school and Asian Buddhist countries, with estimated 370,000 Buddhists spread across the nation, or 1.1% of total population. According to US government data, Buddhists have resided in Canada since the 18th, beginning with Chinese laborers, many of whom work on the Canadian Pacific railroads, where wave of immigrants come to Canada in the later of half 20th century, including refugees from Sri Lanka, Tibet, and Vietnam, along with growing communities of Chinese, Japanese, and Korean Buddhists. As of 2012 survey, there are currently 483 Buddhist organizations in Canada. Namo Buddhaya.